Hey guys, I'm a state certified instructor, hands-free of course. So I'm coming into a roundabout. I'm going straight, so I'm scanning the roundabout. I'm looking, taking my time, and I proceed and I follow the road. And I'm maintaining smooth travels through the roundabout. But we have about 4 roundabouts. So we're gonna talk about each one and what you should do and what you shouldn't do and some of the hazards. So I want to maintain the posted speed limit. I'm nice and smooth, both hands on the wheel, 10 and 2 or 9 and 3. I'm nice and smooth. I'm looking ahead because there's a warning sign warning me that there's a roundabout ahead. So I'm going to take my time. I'm scanning. I'm looking ahead. If we're going straight through the roundabout, we do not have to signal. If we're going to the right, you need to signal. If we're going to the left, we need to signal. So I'm looking ahead. I'm scanning. And I'm coming up nice and slow. Looks clear so far. I'm still looking left, right, and left. I'm squeezing my brake a little bit. I look, and then I accelerate through the turn, and I'm turning gently. That was a nice entry. So we have another one coming up. Great opportunity to learn today. Teachable moment. So I'm nice and smooth. I'm taking my time. Typically, on your DMV test or road test, you're going to go through roundabouts. They want to see you maintain the speed limit. They want to see you yield to cars or pedestrians who are already in the roundabout. I'm squeezing my wheel again. I'm looking left. I'm looking right. I go in slow. I turn my wheel. I'm looking ahead. Nice and smooth. That was really nice. So I'm maintaining my speed. And we have another roundabout. So again, a great teachable moment. So I'm maintaining good speed control. I'm looking ahead. I'm taking my time. I'm nice and smooth. I have good eye movement. I'm scanning and looking ahead. I don't want to get caught by a car who's not going to signal. So I'm squeezing my brakes. I look, I go in nice and smooth. I don't overturn. I see the white car. I'm turning nice and smooth, taking my time. That was really, really nice. And then we have another one. So every roundabout is an opportunity for you to get better. But also be forewarned, drivers don't know what to do, or they don't signal, or they don't yield, and that's when it becomes really scary. So we want to be safe out here. We want to make good decisions. We want to be patient. So I'm right at the speed limit. I'm going up. I'm looking at the intersection first, because I do not want to confuse another driver or have a driver hit me. So I'm yielding, I'm looking, I'm going in slow. I turn the wheel nice and slow, nice and smooth, and then I accelerate out. If you found this brought you value, give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn about driving, driver education, road tests, reverse parallel parking, subscribe to my channel, Driving with Miles. Thank you.